Hi there, students. An ingenu. Okay, this is a French word, a countable noun. This is normally used for an innocent girl or an innocent young woman. Notice, ending ue for a woman or ending u for a man. Now, the masculine form of this is not very well known. And sometimes they use the feminine form for men. Okay, an ingénu is somebody who is naive, innocent. They don't know about the things of life, but this phrase is far more common in the cinema or in literature. It's a role type where a girl or a young woman, she's really nice, she's really sweet, but she's very innocent. And she doesn't understand all of the horrible tricks that life plays. Yeah, she's normally portrayed as beautiful, kind, sweet, gentle, virginal, naive. And she's normally the target for some sort of cad in the cinema. The actress Mary Pickford, the American actress Mary Pickford, played a number of roles as an ingénue. Okay, so an ingénue, a young woman who has little experience, who's very trusting, and particularly as a role in the theatre, in the cinema. Okay, so she's somebody unsophisticated. This is the innocent abroad. There is no guile, there is no trickery to her. So, for example, Snow White is an ingénue. Ophelia is an ingénue. Sandy from Greece is an ingénue. She's sweet, and she's in danger from the realities of the world out there and all the wolves who are out there to who want to take advantage of her. Okay, so an ingénue, a naive young girl, a naive young woman, but more commonly as the role on stage. So the actress that plays the part. I think I get the feeling she's fed up of playing ingénue roles. Okay, so an ingénue. Yeah, this girl is not exactly an ingénue. She knows exactly what she's doing. Okay, so an ingénue, an innocent, unsophisticated woman. No, she's far from an ingénue. And then the role of this in the cinema as well: artless, innocent, inexperienced, simple, gullible, naive, easy to dupe. Yeah, easy to trick. Okay, and this is an ingénue. As I said, the masculine term is you take away the e at the end. It's not very well known, and very often people use ue to talk about men as well. But technically it's correct. It should be just with the u without the e. Formality. I think I'm going to give this a 7 in formality. So it's quite up there, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, it comes directly from French. Ingénu in French as well, meaning without trickery, which comes from Latin ingenuous, meaning ingenuous, somebody who believes all of the things they are told. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Ingenue.